Now I want to speak about the new balance feature for the SVI. What we have here is a reticle or a bullseye, and what we can do is change the size of the bullseye, which causes changes in demand for the program. And we can also give auditory or visual feedback to the patient or both. As you can see, when the bullseye is very large, there's a lot of leeway and balance in the system. As I make this smaller, I have to be much more exact with my balance. What I can do now is I can enable the auditory feedback and the visual feedback, exit this program, enter any one of my programs. Let's pick the Rotator 3 program, launch the program, and now while I'm doing this program, get my auditory feedback and my visual feedback on balance. So I get biofeedback from both a visual standpoint, looking at the cross and how centered the cross is on the A, and also an auditory feedback as well. So now I have the visual feedback and the auditory coming back in. And again, the precision with which I have to keep this centered is dependent on how large I made that bullseye before I began the procedure. This allows you to get biofeedback on balance and combine it with any program on the SVI.